Let's see what this beauty can do.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into Seedance 2.0, now live within Artlist. That's right, Seedance 2.0, the leading edge video model everyone is talking about, the one that actually feels like you're directing a film. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created 3 cinematic sequences using ByteDance's newest video model, including zombie escape, a cinematic marketing promo for a pair of running shoes, and a late night Tokyo drift session.
Perfect roads.
To get started, I'm going to head over to Artlist.io. Let's do this. I am on the main Artlist dashboard. We can see at the bottom, we've got Seedance 2.0 right here. So I'm going to click that. That is going to pop us over to the AI Toolkit. Let's get into this. I'm going to expand this prompt box nice and big. I'm going to pop in my first prompt. So here it is. Before I break this down, I'm going to upload my main character for this generation. Now, I've used this character in the past. We've got a good looking superhero, got some great colors going on. She's going to be the star of the show today. When it comes to prompting with Seedance, after a little bit of research, I found that this scene breakdown, shot by shot, has worked the best for me. I generally have each scene broken down in about 2-second chunks. Got shot 1 all the way to shot 7, and you can see that each scene is clearly defined in what I want to go with. I recommend replicating this kind of a prompt for when you go ahead and generate. Feel free to pause the video so you can read the prompt. I'm also going to have all the prompts in the description below. You're more than welcome to copy and paste them and use them to your heart's content. The general vibe is this. I want my superhero to be running away from a horde of zombies, and she's going to scale up a wall and escape on a helicopter. We've got a mix of wide overhead shots, bird's eye view going up the wall, close up, ground level. She's going to be on the rooftop and then inside of the helicopter. We've got Seedance 2.0 selected right here. So there it is, going 720p. For auto ratio, I want this 16:9. I'm going to make sure this is 15 seconds. Audio on, which includes special effects and voices in our video. And for generation mode, we're going to keep this on references. We could also switch over to start and end frame if we wanted to. Let's go ahead and punch this in. Let's jump into the next demonstration. I want to make a super cool marketing product ad, something you'd see out of a brand like Nike or Adidas, something like that. Here's my image of futuristic running shoes that I came across online. Here is my prompt for this one. Let's have a look. Once again, we're going with a 15-second total scene. I'm going to keep all the settings as they were for the last generation. Of course, 15 seconds, 16:9, audio on. Let's punch this in. Let's jump into the last demo. Once again, I'm going to pop in my prompt. I'm going to upload that same superhero character that I used in the first generation. I'm also going to upload this red sports car. Once again, feel free to pause the video so you can see how my prompt breaks down shot by shot. Essentially, I'm going with a red sports car tearing through urban streets at high speed, and our main character is going to be the one behind the wheel. I'm going to keep everything on default as per usual. Alrighty, let's punch this in.
Let's see what this beauty can do. Perfect roads.
There you have it, Seedance 2.0. Now you may have noticed, for Zombie Escape, I made 2 generations. where I ended up stitching the first half of one of them with the second half of the other. The consistency between both generations was good enough to pull this off. For the marketing promo video, believe it or not, the entire sequence was made in one generation, no reprompting. And last but not least, for the Tokyo Drift section, I generated around 4 times and stitched various scenes together. My main character and the red sports car was consistent throughout, with the environment slightly changing. Some shots were inner city, where others were outer city. Overall, I'm completely blown away by this model. And if you want to try this for yourself today, I'll have the links below as always. If you want to use and refine my prompts, have at it. And if you want to try Seedance 2.0 on Artlist, the link is there as well. As always, good luck and have fun with your generations.